back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I'm going to be vlogging today because it's been a while. So yeah, it's a nice day out, like the sun is finally out in Mumbai. So yeah, we're currently headed out, like we are out right now. We're probably doing something that you should never be doing on weekends. We're going to the mall. The malls are like super busy on Sundays, like weekends to be precise. But yeah, the roads are quite empty and it was a nice day to get out. So yeah, we're going to be going to the mall. I'm going to be vlogging throughout the day. I just wanted to say hi and like start the vlog. There are a couple things that I want to address in this vlog, but I'm going to be doing that later in the day. So yeah, I'm just going to like bring you guys along. I don't think I'll be vlogging in public, but because I obviously don't want to embarrass myself, but yeah.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
From the mall now, and today was so tiring. Like the mall was so busy, like all these stores had such long queues. It was just not the day. But yeah, like I said, that this is not like weekends are like not the days to like go shopping or go to the mall in general. It's just so busy. That's the update, and currently I'm dealing with this mess. Like I'm just cleaning out my makeup. Now I'm gonna like store all of these in these containers. Like that's what I do. Also, like I mentioned in the morning, there were some things that I wanted to address. I never really made an introduction video for my channel, like what my channel is going to be about or something like that, because I thought that nobody would really care. But I feel like I just want to like, at this stage, I just want to like put it out there. I'm not in any way trying to brag about things that I own or things that I have. That's just not who I am as a person. I'm just trying to make fun content, like content that I really personally enjoy watching. That's just the intention. I'm not in any way trying to make anybody out there jealous or insecure about things. This is just who I am as a person, and I enjoy doing things like this. And I feel like every other YouTuber on the internet is trying to do that, because like everybody is trying to put out like fun and entertaining content. Why would anybody try and show the negativity or the negative things that they're going through on the internet? Like obviously, why would they? I have like couple hundred followers. Like there are like couple hundred people who watch my videos, and the fact that I still get hate, like I have people telling me that your life is like a vacation and shit like that, which is like so bizarre, because like obviously why would I choose to like show the negative part of my life? Why would I even do that? Why would I want to put negativity on the internet? I would obviously want somebody out there who's watching my videos to feel happy after watching my videos and not sad or jealous or insecure about it. I personally would never ever pick up my camera on my bad days. Everybody goes through shit. Like I go through shit. I deal with shit every other day. I would never ever pick up my camera when I'm not in my best mood or when I can like not put out healthy content. Anyways, I don't want to be ranting throughout this video, but I feel like it just depends on person to person. It just depends on how you want to take it. If you just want to see the negative part of it, nobody can change your mind. But yeah, I just wanted to clear this thing out. Like, I'm in no way trying to like hurt anybody's feelings or like brag about things that I have. Just wanted to put it out there. Also, couple of months ago, I bought things from this store called Kiko Milano. Like, I bought their foundation and then lip pencils and everything. Their products suck. Like, they literally suck. I'm not gonna lie, they like try to like lure you in by like giving you good deals, but then their products really suck. Like, I'm almost done like arranging everything. I'm gonna like put it into like my drawer now. I have all my lip pencils and lip balms over here, then primers, mascara, some concealer, beauty blenders, my foundations, some brushes, then I have my highlighter, blush, bronzer, compact, and then I have my palettes over here, some loose powder. Back there I just have some trash, and then I have some face masks, and then over here I have some chiller for my Swiggy orders. So yeah, that's basically my makeup storage. And then I have these lipsticks which I can't put over here because like this drawer is like really small, so like my lipsticks don't fit over here, so I put it in my dresser. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you all liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way you get notified when I upload my next video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time.